Welcome friends! Who doesn't love a nice bowl of spaghetti bolognese? The problem is a lot of us are trying to avoid carbs from grains. So how can we enjoy this delicious Italian dish without all the carbs? The answer is spaghetti squash bolognese, which I'm going to share today. This is a paleo, low-carb version of traditional spaghetti bolognese. Spaghetti squash is an incredible vegetable. When you cook it, it turns into noodles just like spaghetti. So first you cut your spaghetti squash in half. Drizzle it with a little olive oil, salt and pepper, then turn it upside down and cover it with aluminum foil. Bake it at 400 degrees for about 45 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make an incredibly flavorful bolognese sauce. Start by chopping a large yellow onion, which is a great source of prebiotic fiber and the antioxidant known as quercetin. Next, we're going to add some garlic, which is a good source of the antimicrobial compound known as allicin. Start by sautéing these with a little olive oil. I like to use an Instapot, but you can also use a regular pot. Now we're going to add red and green bell peppers, which are a great source of antioxidants and vitamin C. This is a great start to our sauce, but we're going to take it to the next level by adding some shiitake mushrooms. Mushrooms have an immune-boosting, soluble fiber known as beta-glucan. They're also a great source of B vitamins, antioxidants, and trace minerals. Next, we add in our protein, so I like to use organic ground chicken. You want to season this with salt, pepper, as well as dried oregano and dried Italian seasoning. Then we add 2 jars of your favorite organic pasta sauce. Tomatoes are a great source of the antioxidant lycopene. One of my favorite parts of Italian flavors is basil, so I like to chop up a large bunch of basil and add it into the sauce. Not only does basil add incredible flavor, it's also a great source of calcium and antioxidants. Now you can close up your Instapot and set it to high pressure for 10 minutes. While we're waiting for everything to cook, we can work on making some basil chiffonade. This is a fancy way of chopping up your basil into fine ribbons so you can sprinkle it on the final dish. First you remove the basil leaves, then you make a nice stack. Tightly roll up the leaves, then chop it finely. And there you go, you have fancy restaurant-style basil chiffonade. Meanwhile, our squash is done cooking. Flip the squash right side up and then gently remove the seeds from the inside. This is the part that never fails to amaze me. As you gently move your fork through the squash, it turns into spaghetti squash noodles. How cool is that? The noodles from spaghetti squash are low in calories, but very high in fiber, so it fills you up. Not to mention it's a great source of vitamin C, B6, and beta-carotene. Now our bolognese sauce is finished and it smells incredible. To present this dish, you put a nice heaping of the bolognese sauce on the spaghetti squash noodles, and don't forget the basil chiffonade. Hope you get a chance to make this dish and enjoy it with the whole family. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.